What is mediation in Florida? It is a process where both parties will meet with a mediator and will try to come up with a resolution on their own regarding their divorce case. In order to cut down on costs and taxpayers' money, going to trial on a divorce case, the legislature requires that parties mediate before going to trial in the state of Florida. Approximately 95% of every case gets settled at mediation. This is amazing. This means that statistically, your case will not go to trial, and you can come up with an amicable resolution at the time of mediation. A mediator cannot make a decision, like a judge. This is not considered arbitration. A neutral mediator is appointed to act as a facilitator between the parties and their lawyers in an effort to try to resolve the case and come up with an agreement that both parties could live with. Anything that is said at mediation is confidential and privileged. It cannot be repeated to the court. There are a few exceptions to this rule, such as reporting abuse on a minor child or an elderly person, etc. If what was said at mediation was not confidential, this would put a chilling effect on negotiations. So, as an example, if one party offers $2,000 a month in alimony, but that is ultimately not accepted, the other party's attorney cannot question the party who offered that $2,000 a month in alimony and ask them, "Weren't you willing to offer that at the time of mediation?" You can clearly see how that would put a hindrance on settlement discussions. The court wants to encourage the parties to try to come up with a resolution on their own. Any agreement at mediation still needs to be confined to a written document. This contract can govern for years to come, especially if there are minor children. It is therefore really important to have a lawyer who is well-versed in family law and contracts represent your interest and make sure that you are adequately protected. Our law firm focuses on divorces and other family law matters throughout the state of Florida. If you would like to discuss any more issues with an attorney, please do not hesitate to call us.